Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today is a new day. And let's get one thing off my chest is I sold the black Cadillac. And I sold the Lincoln. So yeah. So now I'm down to one. But I have taken off all the chroming, the E and G package stuff or whatever it was, whatever it had on it. So I took all that off. I even took the roof off. So we're going to be screwing this down in this video and we'll go from there. So I got the roof on, sort of, semi on. Got all the chrome pieces. I got a bolt that I have to put inside there. Then I still have to do these bolts up here. I just got to find my my thin drill bit. Then we can do it. Then we put the chrome hips on. I don't think I need all these bolts. All I really need is two. Nice. That looks good. That looks amazing. Alright, so we are at the front passenger now. Okay. Just go on ahead and start drilling. Let me start with this one first. Alright, so piece of thing right here. This is bull. Wrong one. Alright, now stay in place. Yep. Perfecto. I was having a lot of difficulties because of the socket. I mean, not socket. The drill. The wrong kind of bit crap thing. So I was having a little bit issue. I'm gonna do this one off camera because it is getting kind of hot. But overall, we got it. Looking pretty good. I still got to do this piece right here, the little top piece at the door right there, which I'm going to do off camera. So yeah, that's it for this. So hopefully you guys like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment and tell me what you guys think about this. Next video, whenever I get out first, the water pump or this right here. More likely the water pump video I will get out first, but we'll see. So stay tuned for the next video, and thanks for watching.